Google's VEO 3.1 is here, and people are already comparing it with Sora and Kling. But can it actually compete? Or Google is just catching up? Hey everyone, I am Ritesh Agri, and today we're going to test Google's VEO 3.1, Google's latest video generator that's already making some waves online. Now, before you get too excited, this isn't VEO 4. It's 3.1, a minor upgrade over their previous version VEO 3, not a full leap. But Google says it now brings richer audio, better realism, stronger prompt accuracy, and more narrative control. So in this video, we're going to actually test whatever is new and see if it actually performs better than before. Now, there are multiple ways to try VEO 3.1. You can use it through platforms like Higgsfield, OpenR, or Fowl.ai. But for this video, we will be testing it directly inside Flow by Google, which is VEO's official interface. So to begin, let's go to Flow Google. Okay, you can see here, click on that and you will be taken to this one. Okay, so click on Create with Flow and click on Sign in with Google. Let's use our account. Would like to receive marketing emails? No, I would like to receive the research invitations. Maybe. Click on Next. Click on Continue. And we can click on New Project. Okay, so once you're in, you can see here we have text to video, frames to video, ingredients to video. Likewise, here we have aspect ratio of landscape or portrait, outputs per prompt 1, 2, 3, 4. And models, we have VEO 3.1 fast, VEO 3.1 quality. Now you can see, of course, this is fast. Okay, beta audio it says. Of course, this says fast, this is quality. Okay. Now Google gives us 100 credits every month for free to test this. And the fast mode will consume 20 credits for every video. Now we have 3 ways as we already saw, and we will be testing all the 3 one by one. Now here, as we already saw, text to video is a basic mode where you add a text and it will generate a video based on your prompt. Frames to video is where you input one image and based on that image, it will translate into a video. Now ingredients to video is the most powerful ingredient available on this particular platform where you add multiple images. Okay, it could be some characters, it could be some objects and so on and so forth. And it will combine all of them together to generate the video. We'll start with text to video and we're going to generate something like a cinematic snow battle in feudal Japan unfolds beneath a stormy sky. Of course, there is a lot more. I'm not going to read it. Now we also have an expand option here and we can give it as cinematic, film noir, action figure and so on and so forth. We'll go with cinematic and it will actually change it into a cinematic script and let's hit this button. So it's actually creating. It takes about a couple of minutes to generate this. Let's quickly check what are the videos that people have posted about VEO 3.1 on Twitter. So you can see here, we've got the first frame, last frame. What is the video that is coming in? Right. So let me just open this up.
But its greatest secret was not on the set. With impossible ingenuity, the arena could become an ocean.
This is VEO, the video generation model.
Okay, by Google. Let's check. Oh, so much detailing, isn't it? Is this just an image? Looks like, okay.
What's that noise?
You guys are checking in already? Oh no, not another vacation nightmare. Don't mind me, girls. Just fixing the tray.
Does that sign say no fun?
Great. So we'll see one last thing and then we'll wind up.
Jermaine, now back to me. Sad. Hello, ladies. Look at Jermaine. Now back to me. Now back at Jermaine. Now back to me. Sadly, he isn't me. But if he stopped using lady-scented body wash and switched to Amber Crest, he could smell like he's B. Look down. Back up. Where are you? You're on a boat with the man your man could smell like. What's in your hand? Back at it. I have it. It's an oyster with 2 tickets to that thing you love. Look again. The tickets are now diamonds. Anything is possible when your man smells like Amber Crest and not a lady. I'm on a horse.
Okay.
Hello, lady.
So this is ready. Let's create this now.
Don't make me do it! Don't make me do it!
Okay. Now let's move on to the second prompt. And this time we are going to test it frames to video. Okay, so I'm going to add 1 frame. So upload, I agree. And we're going here. Let me just make this large icons. And what we want is to upload this one and crop and save. And the, oh, not this one, sorry. It's going to be this one, which is make him eat the noodle frantically and make him finish it full with Chinese sound music. Okay, let's give it a try. Again, about a couple of minutes. While that's generating, let's move on with the next example of frames to video. Again, I'm going to upload it and I'm going to upload this particular image. Let's bring it slightly down. Crop and save. And this time the prompt is going to be make them dance for classical Indian song. Okay, so let's add that. So you can see here that this is 41% and this has just started. While these two are generating, let's move on to the last one, which is powerful and interesting. I'm going to add the prompt and we're going to add multiple images here. Okay, one is going to be this beer. Okay, and I'm going to add one more. So it's waiting. I'm going to add one more and this is going to be the desert. Something fun is what we're trying here. And the prompt is make the animal run around in the desert, have fast camera movements and also make the bear roar. Okay, let's give it a try. So we've got the third one getting generated here. Let's see if the second one is ready here. Sorry, this was the fourth one, but second is almost ready. Let's wait for a failed generation. It says, can I? Okay, 40 credits left, 20 credits left. Okay, it's failed. I hope these two don't fail and eat up my credits. Oh, this also failed. Oh my goodness. I hope at least this one turns out. Yeah, I think Akila told that it may fail sometimes. I hope this one does not fail. Otherwise, it will be like I've not shown anything in the video. It says 40 credits. Ideally, we should have 80 more credits. Okay, all the 3 generations failed. Let's give it one more try. We'll go to frames to video. And I'm going to try out this particular one. Right, and the prompt is going to be make them dance for classical Indian song. Let's try it one at this time. Maybe it failed because we tried multiple together. I hope this does not fail. Looks like a bad day for me to shoot because I tried the same thing in another account and it failed there too. And they don't have a retry, do they? Okay, let me give it a try again. And this one is at 99%. I hope this does not fail too. This is also 99%. This is also 99%. Please work. Okay, so even after waiting for several minutes, the video has not generated either here or in this account. Okay, and all the previous tries have failed. So we would like to show you what was generated before when we tried it. Okay, so I'm heading over here, and this is the noodles prompt. This was the dance example.
The heavens tremble at her step. The earth echoes the cosmic rhythm.
And this was the example of beer running in the desert with its roar. Yeah, and we have one more thing that we wanted to try. Unfortunately, it's not giving us any output today, but I'll show you what was the prompt and what is the output that you've got, right? So if we go back here, okay, and if we go here, which is where we have the images, we want to give this and this app images, and the prompt is TikToker style video. She's holding up and talking about these three products one by one. She's recording the video in her room, and the video that we got for that particular thing is
Just a few other things from my favorite brand ever.
yeah, so that's the video we got. Sorry about not being able to show on the platform because the platform isn't working, and it's strange that this is from Google, right? Like you wait for 20-30 minutes and still it is not able to generate. And I had given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tries here and 2 tries here, which is totaling 7 tries, and they've got just 1 output. Maybe their server is down, I'm not sure, but the point is you give this prompt and you will hopefully get the output that you desire, like we got when we were testing this. So yeah, that's the latest VEO 3.1 update. Honestly, it's pretty solid. We could see that it's with smoother motion, good lighting, and the audio quality was also very good. And the best part, it's free to use right now. Google gives you 100 credits by default every month, and you can generate up to 5 videos, which is fast. If you go with quality, then it requires 100 credits, and that's exactly why we could not show you, because we have just 100 credits. But hey, that was my thought about the output. What do you guys think? What do you think about the outputs that we got from VEO 3.1? Of course, not on the platform, but I showed you the outputs that we got previously when we were testing. So please share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you tried it out and if you have got some amazing output, please share it with the community. And as always, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.